Hello, welcome back. Today, I'll share with you how to check your computer's maximum memory capacity. First, press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Then type CMD in this window and click OK. Type the command displayed on the screen and press Enter. Finally, the maximum capacity of RAM is shown on the screen. Then you can convert kilobytes to gigabytes manually. Alternatively, you can use a tool to convert it. Copy and paste the result into the kilobyte field, then you will get the corresponding value in gigabytes. That's all. Give it a try and see how much RAM your computer can support.